In the morning at the farm, a large rose garden suddenly wilted. Monkey and Harvester came out of the warehouse to visit the garden. Monkey and Harvester stepped out and saw the whole flower field wither. Both of their faces showed shock. Monkey took out a magnifying glass, bent down to look at the stem, and saw an aphid clinging to the leaf.
Hey, it's me, Goku!
Okay.
He looked at Harvester, pointing at the magnifying glass with his other hand. Both of them pondered thoughtfully.
Okay.
Monkey and Harvester stood in front of the garden with a sprayer beside them.
Okie dokie.
Harvester and Tractor 1 moved side by side into the field. Harvester's gears spun, and plants flew into the machine. They continued doing so until the entire field was finished. Harvester's exhaust pipe turned toward Tractor 1's trailer, and the flower plants fell into the trailer.
Let's go.
Monkey patted Tractor 2, and Tractor 2 moved into the field. The plow started working. The soil broke apart as it moved.
Okay, let's go.
It went down one row, then turned to the next. Tractor plowed until the entire garden was done. Next came Tractor 3. The bags of lime were lifted and poured into its trailer, and it drove into the garden. Tractor 3 moved forward, spraying lime through its nostril, finishing one row.
Okay, trust me.
Tractor 1 moved into the garden, scattering the seeds. It went down one row, then turned to the next. The seeds sprouted, grew, and bloomed into beautiful flowers. The whole garden was filled with blossoms, and Monkey and the vehicles clapped joyfully. Peaceful countryside, golden sunshine. Monkey is digging in the field. Clang.
Oh,
the hoe hits a rock. Bang. Monkey looks around.
What should I do?
An idea sparks. Monkey makes a call.
Please help me plant eggplants. Okay.
Tractor 1 heads to the warehouse. Hooks a trailer with eggplant seeds. Tractor 2 with plow. Tractor 3 with seed drill.
Hello. All right. Let's start working now. Ew.
Tractor moves in and sets down the seed bag. Excavator lifts rocks and drops them to the edge. Repeats until the field is clear. Excavator keeps clearing each rock from the field.
Good job!
Are you okay?
You're digging so fast? Yeah. Tractor, it's your turn now. Okay.
Monkey signals, tractor too. The plow goes down, turning the soil row by row. Tractor plows the entire field. The land is ready.
Good.
Seeds are poured into the seeder. Tractor 3 opens the seed box and sows row by row across the field. Monkey runs to the water tank, turns it on. The whole field gets watered. Eggplants sprout slowly. Monkey claps.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
The vehicles celebrate, bouncing happily. A beautiful morning at the farm. The monkey just woke up and leisurely walked into the yard, stretching and letting out a yawn. Suddenly, a notification came to his phone. It turned out to be a heavy rain and thunderstorm. Right after the alert, the sky began to darken. Black clouds gathered, and thunder and lightning arose. A lightning bolt struck, setting the fire, and as it fell into the rice field, the field also caught fire.
Hey, wake
The
up.
tractor was sleeping when the monkey woke it up and reported the situation.
Okay.
The tractor immediately rushed to rescue the rice field. He also called the harvester to come and provide support. Meanwhile, the monkey called the rescue team for assistance. The two quickly arrived at the rice field and immediately began harvesting the rice before the fire could spread everywhere. Together, they created 2 cut lines to prevent the fire from spreading to other areas. The tractor sighed in relief for stopping the fire, but no another blaze suddenly flared up. Joining forces, the two managed to stop the fire successfully. Right after that, the rescue team arrived, and the helicopter quickly flew over the blaze, pouring water to extinguish the fierce fire. The fire was completely extinguished, and since it was also time to harvest the rice field, everyone joined hands and got to work. The harvester took charge of cutting the rice and blowing the harvested grains into the trailer. Row by row, the rice was quickly harvested. This trailer was full, and another one moved in to take its place. The entire rice field was quickly harvested, and the job was completed. Well done, everyone. The herd of cows bellowed.
Oh no!
Aha!
Monkey came up with an idea. He turned to discuss it with Tractor. Tractor nodded and moved into the barn. One by one, the vehicles came out of the barn.
Hello. Let's go.
Monkey ran over to Harvester,
Okie dokie.
raised his hand and pointed forward. Harvester nodded and moved toward the field. The cutting blade spun around. The blade moved into the grass. The grass was cut. The chute sprayed out the grass. The cutting scene shows the grass going into the machine. The harvester reaped the entire grass field, leaving behind neat rows of cut grass. Monkey waved the tractor. Entered the field. The round baler lowered to the ground. The saw blade spun around, sending grass into the machine. Wherever the vehicle moved, straw and chaff were collected into the machine.
Okay.
The large bale of grass inside slowly rolled out. Tractor 1 tapped the roll lever. Both moved over to the bale of grass. The grass was piled high in the truck bed. Both moved toward the hay storage barn. The storage barn gradually filled up with bales of hay. The cow's feeding barn was filled with grass. Monkey crossed his arms, looking satisfied. At Monkey's farm in the suburbs. On a beautiful morning, and he just woke up. Suddenly, the sky rumbled with thunder, and the rain quickly came.
Oh dear. This storm looks rather frightful.
It does. I hope the roof holds.
Pouring rain came down so hard that Monkey and the tractor couldn't react in time. The heavy rain caused the orange orchard to be flooded. The dark clouds have gone, and the weather has cleared up again. Monkey and the tractor came to visit their orange orchard, but the scene before their eyes left them frozen. The sight of the orange orchard submerged in a sea of water. Both of them tried to bail all the water out of the orchard, but it seemed impossible.
1 hour later.
After an hour, they were exhausted, but achieved nothing. The dark clouds gathered again, and the rain began to fall, making the condition of the orange orchard even worse. Both of them had to run into the barn again to take shelter from the rain. The rain had stopped, and both of them headed back to the orange orchard with a weary mood.
Oh no.
Suddenly, Monkey came up with an idea, and they quickly ran back into the barn to get some tools. They quickly returned with a soil plowing tool attached to the back of the tractor. They decided to dig a small trench to channel the water from the orange orchard out. The small trench was quickly completed. Now they just needed to connect it to the orange orchard, and it would be done. The water quickly drained through the trench, and the orange orchard was kept safe. Well done, my two friends. At a peaceful farm in the countryside, a herd of cows has entered the carrot garden and started destroying it. From point X, the monkey rode the tractor toward the carrot garden. Upon arrival, the monkey immediately honked the horn to herd the cows back into the pen. The herd of cows, frightened, dashed back to the pen. But the carrot garden had already been completely destroyed. The monkey thought for a moment and then came up with an idea.
We have so
He and
much
his
work
friends
to
would
do
replant
today,
a new
old
carrot
friend.
garden.
Are you ready to get started?
They set off to begin their work. First, they went to the garage to get the tractor. They carried the sacks of seeds to their friends' homes and invited them to join the work.
Hello?
At the field, the monkey, with the tractor, would plow the carrot garden first. They attached the plow and began the work. The two sections of the garden were quickly plowed up. After that, it was the seed planter's turn.
Hey, you! Come here. Okay.
The monkey quickly poured the sack of seeds into the machine and started to cast.
Okay.
Let's get started. They attached the machine and moved toward the carrot garden. Each row of seeds was sown neatly in straight lines.
Oh my!
Once that round was done, it was the watering machine's turn.
Your turn. Okay. Every inch of soil was thoroughly watered for the carrots to grow. The field was fully watered. Now they just had to wait for the carrots to grow. The carrots grew rapidly and soon filled both fields. We now have 2 new carrot fields. Next, we need a greenhouse. The monkey called the helicopter to ask for help in bringing it over. The helicopter quickly delivered the fully assembled greenhouse to the monkey. The helicopter quickly arrived and set the greenhouse perfectly into its place.
The herd of cows saw the new carrot garden and immediately brightened up, charging to destroy it. But they were stopped by the green. A peaceful farm scene. Tractor 1 pulls Monkey on the trailer, heading into the farm. The field is dry and cracked.
Oh my god.
Huh?
Monkey jumps down and steps forward to inspect the soil.
Oh no!
Monkey presents the plan.
Let's plow the field first. Sprinkle the seeds. The soybeans will grow fast. Okay.
After finishing their discussion, they got straight to work.
Hello. Woohoo! Come on, let's do it together. Yeah.
Tractor 1 with a seeder. Tractor 2 with a plow.
Yahoo!
Tractor 2 enters the field. The plow drops, turning over the soil. Tractor plows the whole field, then returns to its position. Monkey carries a seed bag and pours it into Tractor 1's seeder.
The seeds are ready. Tractor. Yes.
Tractor 1 drives into the field. Seeds spray out in straight rows. Tractor 1 plants until the whole field is covered. The water sprayer spreads its arms and moves into the field. Streams of water spray out, spreading evenly on the ground.
Clamshell, it's your turn now.
Okay.
Clamshell grabs a straw bale and moves into the field. The straw is spread in rows across the ground. Clamshell spreads straw across the entire field. Seeds sprout. Soybean plants grow. The entire field turns green.
Goodbye, see you later.